I'm gonna...
Yes! Yes, I know! Oh, and the hero strikes the first blow, but evil returns with a backhand! Oh, yes!
Phew!
Ah!
Come out, you little freak! I want to see what that big braid looks like on the pavement!
You fell for the oldest evil trick in the book!
You little blue twerp!
My God! Parry! Thrust! Parry again! Now it's time for some witty back-and-forth banter! You go first! Hey, look, I'm not sure where to go with that!
This one's for stealing my girlfriend! This one's for Space Dad making a fool out of me! And Megamind, this one's for Space Step-Bomb! You lied to her!
Oh, well done. I thought that battle went really, really well. I mean, I have a few notes.
Notes?
But they can wait. Oh, you can take me to jail now.
Oh, no, no, no. I was thinking more like the morgue. You're dead!
Whoa, 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 whoa. This isn't how you play the game.
Game over.
Ah,